Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is JAEREEK. I will teach you how to download YouTube videos legal, fast, easy, and legit. So, let's start. First is we open the browser that we want. Like for example like this. I open Google Chrome already. You type youtube.com. Click enter. Go to the YouTube. Then you search or find the videos that you want. So for example, for this video, I will type recap. You can also directly download from the videos you find in this list from you search. Like for example, this video, you want to download it. Just click this and download. Here's the options for the download. Or you can check the video first like this. Here's the download. Just click the download and you choose the higher quality, then click download. Here's the view. You can see it's already downloading. If you can see this text downloaded, it's already downloaded or completed download. So you can click it. You can watch it without any interruption, without internet or with internet. Example like this. You can go to this part, this part, this part. Now, if you want to see your downloaded videos, you can click this dashboard icon. You go to download. And you will see all the downloaded videos. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment for more videos.